I have been growing youth ministries for over 30 years, and if I've learned anything, I've learned this. Never miss an opportunity like March Madness to grow my youth ministry. Hey, youth pastors, my name is Paul Turner from the discipleproject.net, and today I want to share with you 5 slam dunk ideas to grow your youth ministry using March Madness. Number 1, brackets. College basketball playoffs get interesting when teams get down to 32, then 16, then 8, then 4, and then the championship. Listen, you don't have to play basketball. You may have a bunch of kids that are not very sporty, but you can have a dodgeball team or a wiffle ball team or chair basketball or anything like that to be able to put teams into brackets and then compete all month long. If you have a small group, no worries, just have double elimination and let the excitement build over the month until there's a winner. Number 2, Grow 16 or Sweet 16. In other words, if you have a small group, well, challenge that group to say, look, we can get to 16 students. And if you have a large group, challenge them to invite 16 brand new people by the end of the month. If you reach that goal, be sure to have a big celebration and thank your students. Number 3, Nerf dunk contest. You may not have any kids in your group that can dunk, and that's okay. Get a Nerf basketball hoop and challenge kids to create the best dunk without breaking the backboard. If they do, ask them to do it again, but do it in slow motion. Make sure you have a trophy or award ready for the winner. Hey, if you're loving these ideas, I have 35 more ideas in my Youth Pastor's Guide to March Madness. It's packed with even more game ideas, message ideas, and fun activities for your youth group during March Madness. I'll put a link down in the description below. Number 4, share a life-changing message. Why not go with just a message with 4 points, right? The final 4, and come up with a title, maybe like Things Jesus Told His Disciples. Number 1, go into all the world. Number 2, make disciples. Number 3, baptize them. And number 4, teach them to do what I said. Number 5, host a Final Four watch party at the church or at your house and ask your students to invite a friend. Have food, watch the game, play some halftime games, and maybe even share a devotion. Okay, so those are my 5 slam dunk ideas. Which of these ideas do you think will work for you and your group? Leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already a part of this community, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there, and you'll get videos like this in your inbox on a regular basis. That's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.